If you want to add a widget to the home screen on OnePlus 15, what you can do is you can press and hold your finger on an empty space on the home screen in order to open this editing mode. Now over here in the bottom left corner we have widgets, so we can go over here and you should be able to open the full list of apps which contain widgets. And if you want to add something, you can simply tap on the app in order to find all available widgets. So let's say in my case I'm gonna use the Drive app over here, and as you can see we have a couple of different widgets that we can use. Unfortunately we cannot press and hold in order to drop it to the home screen, but we can use this add button and then the widget will be added to the first available space of the page, or the next spaces essentially. And there is a chance that you will immediately find this white corner in the bottom right side of the widget, so then you can grab by this corner in order to resize the widget, just in case you want to do that. And what you can also do is if you press and hold your finger and start moving it, you can of course reposition the widget and place it somewhere else. If you want to change the position of the widget, you can just simply try to drop it anywhere else the widget should be. Simple as that. And if you actually want to resize the widget after that, then just press and hold your finger until you see this remove widget option, and then you can grab by the corner again. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.